Modern kitchen design in 2026 is not about size. It is about smart storage, efficient layout, minimal clutter, and functional design. Even the smallest kitchen can look premium if it is properly organized. You don't need a bigger kitchen, you need a smarter system. Let's start. Rule 1: Vertical storage, clapperboard, visual, wall racks, hanging shelves, hooks. Rule number 1 is vertical storage. When floor space is limited, always use your walls. Install shelves, hooks, and hanging racks. This instantly frees up your counter space and makes your kitchen feel bigger and more organized. Vertical space is the most ignored storage area in most kitchens. Rule 2: Clear containers, clapperboard, visual, transparent jars, labeled containers. Rule number 2 is using clear containers. Instead of random packets and boxes, store everything in transparent jars. You can see what you have instantly. This reduces confusion and prevents clutter buildup. A clean container system makes your kitchen look like a luxury home setup. Rule 3: Drawer dividers, clapperboard, visual, organized utensils, compartments. Rule 3 is drawer dividers. Without dividers, drawers become messy very fast. But with sections for spoons, forks, knives, and tools, everything stays organized and easy to find. Small change, big difference. Rule 4: Cabinet door storage, clapperboard, visual, hooks inside cabinet doors. Rule 4 is using cabinet doors. Most people ignore this space completely. But cabinet doors can hold small racks, hooks, cleaning tools. This gives you hidden extra storage without taking any space. Rule 5: Stackable bins, clapperboard, visual, stacked storage bins. Rule 5 is stackable bins. If you don't have a pantry, this is a game changer. Stackable bins allow you to store snacks, dry foods, kitchen essentials, and still save space. Everything becomes compact and organized. Rule 6: Magnetic storage, clapperboard, visual, magnetic knife rack, spice rack. Rule 6 is magnetic storage systems. Instead of using drawers or counters, you can mount knives, spices, and metal tools on the wall. This frees up space instantly. Rule 7: Under sink organization, clapperboard, visual, under sink storage system. Rule 7 is organizing under the sink. Most people waste this area. But with proper organizers, you can store cleaning supplies, extra items, trash bags. Hidden space is powerful storage space. Rule 8: Rolling carts, clapperboard, visual, mobile kitchen cart. Rule 8 is rolling carts. These are perfect for small kitchens. You can move them anywhere and store extra items easily. Flexibility is key in small spaces. Rule 9: Minimal counters, clapperboard, visual, clean empty countertop. Rule 9 is keeping your counters minimal. A cluttered counter makes the whole kitchen look small and dirty. Keep only essentials visible. Clean counters always feel more expensive and modern. Rule 10: Labeling system, clapperboard, visual, labeled jars and shelves. Rule 10 is labeling everything. Labels make your kitchen faster to use and easier to maintain. You always know where everything is. This is the final step to a fully organized kitchen system. Outro: Final transformation, clapperboard, visual, fully clean luxury kitchen cinematic shot. So these were the 10 easy rules for small kitchen organization. Even if you don't have a pantry, even if your kitchen is very small, you can still create a clean, modern, and highly functional space. Remember, it's not about the size of your kitchen. It's about how smartly you use it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home organization and modern interior design ideas.